Hello my homies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making meatless burger and I'll be using chickpeas and black eyed peas, and I will combine them with a few other ingredients and make a burger out of it. I bet it will be tasty. Let's go! So I'll be using 3 mini peppers, 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic. You're gonna chop your peppers, your garlic and your onion roughly and set that aside. Now I want to use homemade breadcrumbs, so I'll make my own by toasting 3 slices of bread and putting it in my food processor and pulsing it. I'm gonna set that aside. Now you're going to add your onions, garlic and pepper in 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. You're gonna add 1 can of black eyed peas and you're gonna add 1 can of chickpeas, 1 tablespoon of green seasoning, 1 cup of spinach or arugula or both combined. You're gonna pulse it. I would suggest putting your spinach in the bottom with the peppers first, then adding the peas. Either which way, just make sure everything is blended well or pulsed well and well combined. Now we're gonna take it out, put it into a bowl. Just like so. Work it in good, make sure everything is all incorporated. We're gonna put half a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, or more if you need it, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and I'm kind of grounding mine a little bit in my hands because they were like whole leaves. Work it in. And I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use half a cup of breadcrumbs from what I just made. I'm gonna add 1 egg and a dash of paprika. And now we're just gonna fold everything in, mix it in well. Get you parchment paper or wax paper, and we're going to form our balls. Okay. You want to use a cookie, an ice cream scoop, which would be a nice size, and you form it into a ball like so, and then you kind of press on it in the center to make it into like a flat disc. And you're gonna repeat this process until everything in your bowl is done. Like so. That's what you have. I set mine in the fridge for a bit, and now you spray your pan with cooking spray, and you're just gonna cook on each side for 4 minutes and then let it cool, and you're ready to dive in and eat. It was so delicious, so simple. Put it in some bread and call it a burger. Eat it with some salad. Yummy. If this looks like a burger that you would try, leave a comment and let me know, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy. Bye.